What are the legal rights of cohabiting couples? Have you ever wondered what legal rights cohabiting couples actually have? Living together without being married can create some confusion around legal protections. Let's break it down. Cohabiting couples, those who share a home but are not legally married, generally have limited legal rights compared to married couples. This means that many of the protections that come with marriage do not automatically apply to partners who cohabit. First, it is important to note that cohabiting partners do not have a recognized legal status in most places. This means they are not automatically entitled to rights related to property division, financial support, or inheritance. Cohabitation alone does not create legal obligations between partners. When it comes to property rights, things can get tricky. Property acquired during the relationship is usually owned by the person whose name is on the title or who paid for it. And like in a divorce, there is no automatic division of property if the couple separates. To clarify ownership, cohabiting couples should consider holding property jointly or creating contracts that specify each partner's rights. Financial support is another area where cohabiting couples face limitations. There is no legal requirement for partners to support each other financially during or after the relationship. In marriage, spouses may have obligations for alimony or support, but cohabitants must rely on private agreements if they wish to establish such responsibilities. Inheritance rights are also a concern. If one partner dies without a will, the surviving partner does not have automatic rights to inherit. And like spouses, they are not entitled to a share of the deceased partner's estate by default. To protect each other, cohabiting partners should create wills or other estate planning documents that clearly outline their wishes. Cohabiting couples can take proactive steps to protect their interests. Legal agreements, such as cohabitation agreements, can help define property ownership and financial support. These contracts clarify expectations and provide some legal protection in case of separation or death. In some jurisdictions, cohabiting couples may be recognized as domestic partners. This can grant them some rights similar to marriage, such as health insurance benefits or hospital visitation rights. However, this recognition varies widely and often requires registration or meeting specific criteria. From the perspective of family relationships, cohabitation reflects a stage in the family life cycle where partners share responsibilities without formal legal ties. This arrangement can influence family dynamics, especially when children are involved. Legal protections for children typically come from parental rights rather than the couple's relationship status. To navigate these complexities, cohabiting couples should consider a few practical recommendations. Creating written agreements covering property, finances, and support is a good start. Additionally, considering wills and estate planning can ensure inheritance rights are protected. It is also wise to understand local laws about domestic partnerships or cohabitation recognition. Open communication about expectations can help avoid misunderstandings. In summary, cohabiting couples do not have the same automatic legal rights as married couples. They need to take proactive steps through contracts and legal planning to protect their interests. Understanding these legal realities can help cohabiting couples manage their shared lives more effectively.